And if you're looking for an easy-to-use integratable platform where you can create characters and use them for your games, apps, or even for your metaverse creation, then you should consider taking a look at Ready Player Me. Yes, of course, we've talked about Ready Player Me in the past, and this is a wonderful avatar creator, as this simply integrates with a couple of tools and you can actually do some very impressive things with it. By default, if you go over to readyplayer.me, which is their website, you'll be able to start creating your own characters. You can integrate these characters with different tool sets of choice, and you can make as many of them as possible. And the best part, for you to create anything, all you need to do is click on create your avatar, and this brings you over to a page where you can define the avatar that you want to create. If you do have a photo you want to work with, you can simply use it, but if you don't have one, you can continue without the photo. This offers you a couple of avatars that you can pick and play with, and you can simply select from any of the ones that are available, and you can proceed to tweaking this avatar to your heart content. The idea behind this is for you to easily create your avatars and get them working quickly. Any of the avatars that you create, you can download and use them for your games, animations, and so on. And despite the fact that they have this amazing platform, recently the folks at Ready Player Me announced an animation library. This animation library contains over 200 high-quality performances that were motion captured. You can find locomotion, dance, expression, and idle motions right here, and these deals with both male and female characters. All of the animations within this library have been captured for both male and female characters professionally, so you can get the motions and body dynamics of a feminine or a masculine amateur. And the beautiful thing here is you can use this across any tool of choice. So whether you're working in Maya, Blender, Unreal Engine, Unity, or if you like to simply retarget this to any of the characters that you have, yes, you can. By default, once you download this, you'll be getting this as FBX, and it is worth mentioning that their licensing is pretty interesting. So if you go over to the licensing section, you would also notice that the animations that are provided can be used for both personal and commercial use without charge. And these are only subject to the restrictions set forth in the terms and conditions. And the restrictions simply includes that redistribution and sale of these is not supported. But if you're using this for your commercial project or for your personal project, then you can simply go ahead and grab it. And if you're working with tools like Motion Builder, where you need a T-pose for you to start feeding things into the motion library, then you can definitely use the T-pose, which is provided here for both the masculine and also the feminine one too. So this is it for anyone looking for animation library for both male and female that consists of over 200 motions that can be retargeted for both games and animation and even for metaverse creations. Then you might want to consider going over to the link in the description that will bring you right here, and also to the Ready Player Me website where you can start creating your characters. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.